Hello, tiny craziness. Did you get all excited about birds on the phone?
For roughly 3 seconds of birds.
And then you paused the birds on the phone with your paws while you were batting at the birds on the phone. And now she's coming for my phone.
She knows what she wants.
I wish you could see the paw wrapped around the phone here. Your eyes are so pretty. You can't decide what color they are yet, but they're super pretty. Look at this. Look at this pretty baby. Pretty baby looks at me. In Soviet Russia, pretty baby looks at you. Oh, she's got it. She's got it good. Are you going to nom the camera? I'm looking into her ear. Oh, hello. Hello, prettiness. What a good girl. Even if you are both just stoned to the gills.